Good day everyone, it's Lino and Line, and today we are in Philadelphia. Philly, as it's popularly known, is rich in culture, arts, food, sports, and history. But if you only have 48 hours or less in this city, you won't be able to cover everything that Philly has to offer. But don't you worry, we got you covered. Come along with us as we explore and taste the best of this city of brotherly love and sisterly affection, Philadelphia. Our first stop is the Reading Terminal Market. So this is a public market, but looks like it's a one-stop shop. It has everything with regards to food. And check the opening hours and the closing hours. Well, basically most of the shops that we're going to go are closed on Sundays and Mondays. And also they close like 5 o'clock?
Yes, today it's 5 o'clock.
We are really very excited. We drove like more than 6 hours to here, and it's about lunchtime. So we're gonna go directly to eat. So we're now inside. We have to wear a mask. And so the first stop will be Tommy the Nick's. So roast pork. So we're gonna be eating roast pork. Look at all these shops. With the many shops here, it can be very daunting trying to navigate your way and find what's the best as far as what you like. So we're gonna find out where Tommy the next roast pork is. Now we learned that it would be best if you research first, like find out a map or something where the place or the shop you're gonna go. Unless you just wanna go around and see what looks appealing, attractive, and looks tasty to you. Okay, we found the place. Looks like we have to wait in line. There's a long line here, so I hope it's gonna be quick, but we're really hungry, so we're willing to wait for a while. This is the roast pork sandwich.
That looks delicious.
Well, this is an abundance of the pork, and look at that the juice around it. The pork is so good. The combination of the provolone cheese and the roast pork and the bell pepper makes it really delicious.
It is so delicious, so tender. The provolone cheese and the peppers blend so well to give it a very nice flavor.
This is the homemade apple dumpling, and you can specify for heavy cream.
Yeah, or whipped cream.
Or whipped cream. You can have it warmed up or as it is. We have it warmed. It just melts in your mouth. Love the texture of the apple and the dumpling and the whipped cream. It's really good. Okay, now this is the scrapple, pork shaving.
Yeah,
So
of
basically
everything.
all body parts of a pig.
Including the pig's brain. That's
The
what
brain,
they said.
the heart, liver,
Kidneys.
yeah, everything.
Whatever.
It's usually eaten during breakfast time paired with pancake. But here it is, you can order this anytime of the day. Doesn't smell anything. It's crunchy on the outside, and then it's really soft and tender on the inside. It's like it melts in your mouth. Taste seems really familiar. It's like the pork rind.
The chicharron? Is that what you're saying?
The chicharron. But you know, we Filipinos also eat a lot of things in a pig. Pig's body part, intestines. But I don't think we eat the brain, right?
We do.
We do?
Yeah.
But it's good. I guess it's probably just a lot of oil.
It's very delicious. It's very crunchy,
Are you surprised by the taste?
soft, it's very soft inside.
You won't feel guilty, right? Eating that one?
Yeah.
So finally we found a table. This was really packed earlier. We had fun so far. So what was our first? The roast pork, and then we had
Apple dumpling and
homemade apple dumpling,
scrapple.
the scrapple,
Yep.
and now we have
Pretzel.
pretzel. Oh, it's still warm. So this is a soft pretzel, right?
Yeah, it's just the regular one.
Yeah, and the regular, they have different flavors, right? They have
Yes.
cinnamon and
Garlic.
normally I'm not a pretzel kind of guy, but I'm just gonna taste this one. Well, as the name implies, it's soft. Different from the usual pretzels that we've tasted. It's good, except for me, I don't really like salty. I would probably lessen the salt here, but overall, it's good.
This is the best pretzel I've tasted so far. It's very crunchy. It has a very good buttery taste to me.
Well, to me, there's a little bit of crunchiness to it, but it's not as crunchy as the regular pretzels that we tasted. But yeah, to me, it's a little salty, but to you, it's not
okay.
that salty.
It's not so it's okay.
So it really depends on
Yeah.
the person tasting it.
Well, the taste to me is like shakoy in our country, in the Philippines.
But
That's
it's
how
not
I
sweet.
compare it.
Yeah, you're right. It has a little bit of that Filipino doughy shakoy. We call it shakoy. For me, that was too soft.
We just got the traditional vanilla ice cream, but there are other flavors like strawberry, chocolate, other toppings too that you can put on top of your ice cream. It's very good, not too sweet, and very creamy.
It's actually good. The sweetness of the ice cream and the saltiness of the pretzel complement each other. So that was good and fun. Working your way through the crowd was fun. I would recommend that you go there as soon as they open, like early morning.
At 8
there's-
o'clock, I think.
At 8, there's not too much crowd yet. We came around 12 o'clock or
12:30.
12:30, lunchtime, the
And
busiest
being
time
a
I think.
weekend.
We're passing by Chinatown. So we're gonna get to the car and drive to the hotel. Checked in and explore
again.
more. So we're now here at the City Hall. Philadelphia City Hall is the world's largest freestanding masonry building and was the world's tallest habitable building upon its completion in 1894. The building is topped by a 37-foot bronze statue of the city founder William Penn, one of the 250 sculptures created by Alexander Milne Calder that adorn the building. Looks like they have a light show, so we'll try to check it out. From Chinatown, we are walking back to our hotel, and we pass through the City Hall grounds, and we stumble into this
Go around.
merry-go-round. We're not in Europe, but we're still here in City Hall grounds on our way to our hotel. It's a pretty nice evening here, and so much to see.
And the German sausage looks tempting, but I'm so full.
yeah, we
already.
are so full. In fact, we're gonna eat the dessert at the hotel.
And we are going to taste this yummy cake. And look at the packaging. It's so beautiful.
It's a matcha flavored mousse with layers of cake or matcha cake in between.
It's so creamy. The mousse just melts in your mouth. It really tastes matcha.
The sweetness is just so right and perfect for me. It's not too sweet. Oh, this is the chestnut caramel mousse.
I think that's chestnut in the center, and there's a layer of cream and then the mousse.
That's it for our first day here in Philly. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video will be released. And watch out for our part 2 video with more eating and checking out historic Philadelphia. Hope and pray that you have an amazing and blessed day. Thank you for watching.